Are you looking for a great way to send money abroad? With Upesi app, you can send money to friends and family across borders with just a few taps. Register for free and enjoy instant, safe, and affordable transfers. It is as simple as this. Go to Play Store or Apple Store to download the Upesi app and create an account. Fill in your personal details, name, date of birth to verify that you are over 18 years old. Verify your phone number and email address. Create a secure password. To ensure safe and secure transactions, Upesi requires a quick KYC verification. Select country and document to use. You can take a photo or upload photos of your ID, passport or refugee ID. And finally, record a short selfie video. You are now set to send money to over 50 destinations across the globe.